Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss about the sources of organic compounds. These are actually fossil remains. What are fossil remains? The million years ago plants and animals were decomposed under the earth crust and that was converted into the oil and gases. Now, main sources of organic compounds. Organic compounds से कम main ज़राइल कम कम या coal या petroleum या natural gas थी. Data fossil fuels om ویلی شي کول پټرولیم او نیچرل ګیس ته فاسل فیولز ویلی شي او کول چې دی دا لومبی سورس دی د ارګانیک کمپاوند میجر سورس دی اټس ایلډز کوک اینډ coal tar and pyrolysis or destruction. More than 200 organic compounds are directly isolated. The 200 compounds na more than 200 compounds na زیات compounds شي دا directly isolated شوي د coal tar نه. coal tar چې دی دا starting material دی. The manufacturing of thousands of useful aromatic compounds. Aroma means smell, including perfumes. Perfumes mangalu the coal tar na, drugs alu, dyes rang tawi, photographic developers and other compound also and other products also. Number second, the petroleum. Petra mean rock, oleum mean oil. This is also known as rock oils. The second name of petroleum is crude oil. The third name of petroleum is liquid gold. This is black viscous liquids, a mixture of hydrocarbons. Composition varies according to the to its place of occurrence, where there is more or less petroleum. It depends upon its location. Number third, natural gas, qudrati gas. It is known as in Urdu as qudrati gas. It is a mixture of low hydrocarbons. Major portion of this natural gas is 85% methane. And the other gases like ethane, propane and butane are formed by the decomposition. These all are formed by the decomposition of the organic matter. So this lecture is all about the sources of organic compounds.